when the going gets tough, that's when our prayers really need to get going. There's probably no better example than when our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be on him, was getting ready for the Battle of Badr. During the Battle of Badr, the Muslims were outnumbered 3 to 1. Think about this. There were about 313 Muslims, and these Muslims did not have really nice swords, and they did not have really good armor, and they weren't very well equipped. And when they looked into the horizon, they saw an enemy that was 3 times their size. Not only were they bigger, they had better weapons, they had better shields, they had better bows and arrows. And imagine this, in war, if you die, you die. That night, our Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed, and he prayed, and he prayed. His companions said, while we were sleeping at night, our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be on him, he was under a tree, and the whole night he was praying. He would say, Ya Allah, help us. Ya Allah, make sure that your promise is true. Ya Allah, if we are defeated, then what will happen to the Muslims? So much so that when the companions woke up in the morning, they found our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be on him, without his scarf on. And so they put something over his chest and they said, "O Prophet, peace and blessings be on him, know that Allah will answer your prayer." And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did. In the Battle of Badr, even though the Muslims were outnumbered 3 to 1, even though their weapons were not as nice or sharp or as good as the enemies from Mecca, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helped them, and they were victorious. That victory was the first victory in the history of Islam, and it came through prayer.